on Saturdays.
We're back. Alright guys, we're back with another video. Yeah. George is wearing questionable. I got new OEM fog lights and OEM door light thing. I'll show you guys. But we're gonna install those real quick just for people that maybe have never done it, or I don't know. We're just gonna do this video. Alright, so here's the new fog lights and light thing. These are OEM. They have yeah. Here, let's get a good shot of those.
You see your reflection in it.
And then those are what I'm replacing.
Yeah, look at those. Garbage.
They're garbage.
Garbage.
They're genuine garbage. So these are like dead stock. Yeah, they came with brand new bulbs. So, yep, let's start on. So, we got to get the bumper off first, and then we'll be able to get to the fogs, and then we'll show you how they're connected. It's literally 3 Phillips screws.
They just pop out at the ends, right?
And then, yeah, I believe it just slides out. There might be one under, or in the fender.
Was there one of them? Yes,
there was. There is. So there's going to be, I guess, 5 total Phillips. 2 in each, or 1 in each fender, and then 3 Phillips up top. I believe that's it. If not, don't quote me. I'm way out of focus. So yeah, we're going to get this off real quick, and then we'll be back. Alright, bumper is off. It's pretty easy. So it is exactly how we set it. There is 1 screw here, and then there's the same on the other side, and then you pop it off the clip, and then there's the three up top, and that's it to get the bumper off. And then you just unplug this harness from the car, and then your bumper's off. So right now I'm going to respray this lower grill because it's really faded. And then we're going to obviously change the fog lights, and I might spray those black, but I'm not sure yet. So we got our handy dandy Milwaukee. Yep. Best investment.
Literally makes every job so much faster.
Yeah. So I just threw some wax and sealant on these, and I never did it on those, so I did those. Headlights already done. Yep. Now we got another OEM bit, because we're OEM on this channel. I am OEM, if that, you know,
bullshit. That's your middle name, dude.
Yeah, it's OE. Alright, come on.
What the heck is that? Oh. Okay. Okay.
It's coming out in 4 pieces.
No, I know what I did wrong.
Is there a housing
this plugs
or something?
in.
Oh.
And I'd probably just fucking.
You gotta take the door piece out?
No, you didn't. I doubt it. Yes.
There it is.
You're good.
See?
What you say?
Oh.
I can grab that. I can grab it.
He can grab that. Grabbing. Grab.
Grab.
These. So then these pop out. It's supposed to be a lot easier if you look it up, but you're also supposed to have the battery disconnected or off or something.
We're up by that.
But
in that camera.
Do you remember which one went where? This is left, and it goes in. Yeah.
Yeah, it was like that.
Just explodes. Freaking. See, you don't need to take the battery out.
Nah, dude.
So then you just push it in that corner. Come on.
Just yeet it in.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh.
Are they meant to be in like that? That's the style of the light. It's funny.
Boom.
It's like someone like kicked it in.
It's because the...
Yeah.
Let me close it. Let's see. Bro, if this doesn't work... Move.
Alright, watch out. Moment of truth. Boom!
Look at that, brand new. OEM.
Look at that. Look at that. Would you just look at it?
Just look at it.
Would you just look at it?
You think it's under warranty or something? Jeez.
Kind of might just like slide it, but...
Yeah, don't like bowling ball chuck it.
Yeah, it's not like it's under warranty.
Must be nice to have warranty, dude. Make sure the plastic isn't through.
Oh yeah. This is a family channel.
Other way.
It's good Christian channels going to hell. Better not this. Well, you kept wanting to guess. I was going to tell you right off the bat, but you're like, Dad, brother, dog, sister, fish.
You really like just standing there. Oh, I thought you were doing something to me.
No, I wasn't.
He wants to do stuff to you.
Hey.
Hey!
Oh, damn it. I forgot about this.
Oh, yeah.
Give me the fucking drill.
Give him the drill.
Oh, wait. That might be enough movement. No.
Yeah, you should really stop being so abusive to Morgan. If you couldn't take care of him, you shouldn't have adopted him.
Yeah, Dad.
You tell him, son. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm calling you son.
I don't get this.
No. Christmas.
Yeah, this is all fucked.
Christmas
It's a
channel?
Holy.
Christmas isn't for a year.
Less than a year.
I hear Mr. Bosco.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey. Hey. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. Hey, buddy. You stop. Stop. You stop whining. Hey. Yeah, dude. The OEM headlights definitely would complement each other. It doesn't look bad like this, but...
No. So,
Yep.
it's like you have that, which looks good, no doubt.
Yeah.
But, like, in my opinion, that just looks so much better, dude.
Yeah, it does.
I also forget how massive these things are.
Yeah, dude.
You know what I just forgot? Look on the ground next to me.
Oh, no.
We did it again.
No!
You don't need it.
I'm putting it back on.
Yeah, no, it's too easy.
OEM.
It's too easy.
Yeah, no.
It takes like 2
You
minutes.
want to have it on.
Well, it makes everything move.
Yeah, if I had it, I'd definitely put it on, but
Well, you don't even have a stock bumper.
it would still work.
No.
You're right, no, dude.
I know how this game works, brother. Alright, so we're all done. New fog lights are in, new door light switch. I don't remember what it's called. Just door panel light.
Yeah.
Door panel light is in, and then so just here's a good difference. I did try to fix these, and I kind of gave up. They were just kind of beat, but huge difference because I got new headlights, which I will be going back to OEMs. Not really anytime soon because I just threw new bulbs in these, and I have no reason to really like rush into it because I really want to find like a mint set of OEM headlights, and then so now the whole front end kind of ties into being cleaner. I sprayed that. I just sprayed some satin black over it because it was faded. I plan on getting the grill insert, so this will be gone. I do plan on getting new badges, and then I plan on getting the SAP front fascia, mainly to hide a lot of the rock chips and stuff on the front bumper, but also the look I like.
It's one of the worst parts of living in Arizona.
Yeah.
You're gonna get rock
And
chips.
obviously this car was like on the highway a lot. It's the whole front end is like just peppered. So I'm not really too worried about it. I plan on changing a couple things. Like the dents in the fenders, I plan on going RMR, fiberglass fenders. So I'm not too worried about that. So I have a MGW coming in soon, a short shifter from Process Tuning. I should be getting it in max 3 weeks. We'll be doing like a full detailed video of that because I really want to. I haven't found any videos of how to do the shifter. Like very simple, and I can put things together and understand what you have to do to get it done. But I'd like to do a really detailed video for MGW and kind of just help maybe GTO owners out doing the short shifter. Because I mean, it's all over forums and stuff, but it's not like there's no good YouTube video explaining how to do it. Which, yeah, it's a very simple and like everyone can understand how to do it for the most part. But I'd rather do like a full install video so that people that are struggling or anything, because I know you do have to go under the car for a couple bolts and stuff. So yeah, we'll do that once I get that. Kobe's waiting for his motor. His motor's still at Outlaw Race Engines. I think it's just getting fully cleaned.
Yeah,
line honed, and I think his heads are over there that are getting a valve job and stuff, and they're going to flow test those.
Yep.
Because he has some wild like golf ball ported heads that we'll show when he gets them back. So he's waiting on a few things. Morgan is getting close to getting the swap kit, closer. He pretty much has everything else. He has full power trick suspension. He's going to get new brakes, whatever. So the whole suspension of the car is going to be brand new, which is really nice. Then he already has a motor, already has a transmission. Basically, the last thing for it is a swap kit. And he's getting closer and closer. We're hoping easily, I think by the end of the year, we'll have it done. He thinks it's going to take forever, but I think by the end of the year, it'll be done.
Hey, you gotta set your standards low. So
he's already got new wheels. He's going to get new tires. So he's literally going to have everything. And then last is George.
Yeah.
He's still trying to sell his wheels in bags. So if anyone wants, what are they, D2?
D2 bags with Airlift V2 management.
Yep. And Wed's Sport.
Wedge Crans LXZs.
LXZs, what you've seen.
Yep.
They're 18 by 9.5 in the front plus 10.
12.
12, and then the back is 10.5 plus
8. Yep.
So if you want those wheels, or would want to trade for maybe like Graham lights or like more of a track-oriented wheel, or if you'd potentially trade plus cash with coilovers, hit them up.
Yep.
No like simple coilovers.
Yeah, no.
Like if you're gonna trade for bags, if you want it to be more fair, they got to be some badass coilovers, or he's just gonna sell them and get the coilovers that he mainly wants.
Yep.
I might be getting coilovers for this soon. Not 100% sure. I have a bunch of things I really want to do. Like I want to go to our like big project car, and that's what we're like really focusing on right now. And then George is gonna switch over to more of a track-oriented setup, which will be cool. And then Morgan's car, whenever we get down there, we'll do that.
Yep.
So yeah, that's really it for today. I just got these new fog lights. Super hyped about them. I'm slowly getting this car back to mint shape, in quotes. The paint's not the best, but I'm going to do with what I can until I get it resprayed or potentially rewrapped. I'm not a big fan of wraps, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next video, which I don't even know what we're going to do, but we will find something to do.
Yeah, we'll see.
All right.
All right.
Deuces.
Damn.